Hello friends, this is Lady. Welcome to another educational video. This month is perfect for you to advertise your childcare and spread the word about your service. Today I'm at the dollar store and let's shop together. The dollar store has so many decorations, different kinds, they are made of different materials and I really like the quality. October is the perfect month for you to advertise and spread the word that you have a childcare at home. The Dollar Tree has so many options for you and I recommend you to check my video where I talk about marketing and I also give you examples of what I do during this month. I will post the link of this video in the description below. If you can, go to the dollar store at least once a month because they are always moving inventory. Right now I just went like 2 days ago and they are already putting stuff for Christmas. They have so many options for us. We want to make sure that our environment inside and outside looks good. Remember, this month we won't be ghosts. Everybody's gonna know that we have a childcare in our neighborhood. I remember one friend told me one day, childcares are like ghosts. Nobody knows about us. So make sure this month everybody knows about you and your childcare. Let's keep shopping. So many options also for you sign-in table. I will do another video showing you how I decorate my place for the month of October. Give me 2 more weeks. I will put all together because there is so many things going on. Not just Halloween, there is also fall. As a request of many of you, I posted already the calendar of the month. Tells you everything that I'm gonna be doing and also when it's gonna be my Halloween celebration. The Dollar Tree is a good place for you to find items for your dramatic play. They have many options for you. So if one item breaks, it's only $1. It won't hurt. There is no party without favors. The Dollar Tree has inexpensive items. One of my favorite items was these pens. I also like this stamp. This is great for the journals that we're gonna be doing this month, this year. And every year I give away baskets to all my kids. I have many kids who I don't take care of them anymore, so they always come to visit me, so I have to be prepared. I am so thankful that we have a Dollar Tree here in Palmdale because this really saves me a lot of money to put all together a party, the decorations. I also buy a lot of my decoration from Amazon, and at the end of this video I will also share the link of Amazon so you can see all the decorations I bought for my childcare. Also, the Dollar Tree still has stuff for fall. In my last video, you guys have seen how I decorate the whole entrance of my childcare in September. I still have the same decoration. The only thing now I'm gonna be making some changes for Halloween. But this is everything I got from here. It was only $1. Also, the Dollar Tree has a lot of candies and they're good candies, they're good brands. I always buy my candies at Costco because of the amount that they have. But this time I will try to get some packages, try them, see if they're good, and I will do the counting by ounces to see if it's a good deal. If you already have tried this kind of candies, please let me know in the comments below to see are they a good deal. I look forward to hear from you. I'm done shopping. I have so many ideas, too many items, and I'm ready to have a good time with the kids. And that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did putting all this together. If you guys like this kind of videos, please don't forget to like it, also share, subscribe if you haven't. When I reach 500 subscribers, I will have a teacher giveaway. In my next 2 videos, I will be announcing the winner of the prize and I will also be announcing the prizes. It's gonna be 3 prizes in total when I reach 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.